Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I am collaborating with my friends from BeadPark to do a wonderful video about a beautiful wooden chandelier. They sent me this beautiful beads, bag of beads, huge bag of beads, and they have this wonderful online store that you will find a lot of things so you can get on crafting. Even if we don't have open stores, we can start crafting. I'm gonna leave you in the description box down below everything you need so you can go to their webpage and find everything you need to start crafting and making beautiful things. Now let's get started. This is an old wreath I had and I will be using it to make our chandelier. I took off all the wires and now I'll be spray painting it using Harry's Walnut Spray Paint. And as you can see here, we have it spray painted, and we will be using those beads from BeadPark. Those are 500 beads and it's more than enough to make our chandelier. We're gonna use a little bit more, like 3/4 of the bag, and we'll be using that twine to string our beads. We're gonna start with 24-inch string, 22 beads, bit of water. We're gonna make a knot, and in the other end we're gonna add a bit of hot glue and string our beads. We're gonna make 8 of those. And now we're gonna take 25 beads and a 28-inches string, and we're gonna make the same knot in one end, bit of hot glue in the other, and string them, 8 of them. And now we're gonna start tying up our 22 bead strings like that. We're gonna take first end that has the little metal, and we're gonna tie it to there, and we're gonna tie 4 of them to those 4 metals like that. Those are the 22 beads. So we have shorter in the outside and longer and on the inside. So you tied all of them around using the metal as your guide, just like that. And then when we finish that, we're gonna take the other 4 22 beads strings. If you want, you can add a bit of hot glue to those knots now, or you can wait until you finish the second layer that we will be doing. Now I'm taking another 22 bead string and I'm tying it in between those metal pieces. And I'm gonna repeat that all around, so we will need 4 of those. As you can see, I'm tying them up in the center of our first row, and that gives a cascade effect. And when you have 2 knots together, you add your bit of hot glue. And that's it for our first layer. Now we're gonna do our second layer, or the center part of our wreath or chandelier. We cut the excess twine from that first layer and we move on to our second layer. Now we start the second layer as the first one, tying it to the metal part that we have on our wreath, like that, and do one row of those tied to the metal part, and then we're going to make another row, same as the first line or layer. We're going to make it in the center of those two. You tie them really tight and continue adding them. You will add 4 in the first layer and 4 in the second layer in the center. And then you have your 28 beads, 25 beads, 28 inch strand tied together like that. And now we're gonna cut the excess, add our hot glue so they won't move, and cut the excess twine, flip it over, that's really important, and add hot glue to those knots. Now we're gonna put them where they belong and add hot glue to the knot and to the sides. And that's it, we have a beautiful chandelier. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, it's beautiful on my kitchen lamp. This is how it looks. Let me give you a closer look. And this is how it turned out. It's beautiful and gives this beautiful homey feeling to my kitchen. I love it. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to those beads and also to BeadPark's online store. They have a wonderful store and you will find lots of things to start crafting. I just want to take this opportunity to thank them for sending me this awesome products. You will see a couple more videos coming up. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.